Hi guys, in this video of Devet's Classroom, we will work from the CS1 textbook, Core Mathematics from Pearson, and we will be doing exercise 1A, question 1 to 6. In this example, we will start by adding like terms and simplifying. So where do we start? You have to identify the like terms. If we take a look at example number 1 or exercise number 1, we have 4x and we have the plus 3x as the one type of term. On the other side, we have our minus 5y and our plus 6y. Now, according to the textbook, what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to write like terms next to each other. So you will have 4x plus 3x minus 5y plus 6y. And now it is as simple as adding the coefficients. So you will have 4 plus 3, that will give you 7x. And you have minus 5 plus 6, which gives you plus 1y. And that is question number 1. When we move over to question number 2, we will follow the same procedure. We have 3r and we have minus 5r as like terms. We have plus 7t and we have plus 3t. Now we simply write them next to each other like the textbook states. 3r minus 5r plus 7t plus 3t. We add our coefficients, so it's 3 minus 5, which gives you minus 2r, plus 7 plus 3 is plus 10t. And that's question number 2. We now move over to question number 3. We will follow the same procedure. We have 3m plus 5m as the one coefficient. We have minus 2n plus 3n. And then we've got a third term, which is minus p and minus 6p. We write these terms together. So 3m plus 5m minus 2n plus 3n minus p minus 6p. We add our coefficients or subtract them depending on the sign. 3 plus 5 will give you 8m. Minus 2 plus 3 will give you plus 1n. And minus 1 minus 6, remember in front of this in front of this p you have a 1, which makes it minus 1 minus 6 gives you minus 7p. And that is your final answer. We now move over to question number 4. In this case, I'm not going to write the second step as I did for question 1, 2, and 3. By circling or putting a colored block around each term, you can eliminate and save some time by writing that step. So if we take a look at number 4, we have 3ab and we have minus 7ab. We then also have minus 3ac and plus 5ac, and you can clearly see there is only a single term plus 3a. So when we write our answers, we will start with the greens. 3ab minus 7ab, 3 minus 7 gives you minus 4ab. We move over to the blue block. Minus 3 plus 5 will give you plus 2ac and plus 3a. As simple as that. For question number 5, we will do the same thing. We have 7x squared minus 2x squared plus 5x squared minus 4x squared. In this case, all the terms are like. So what we will simply do is we will add the coefficients. 7 minus 2 is 5, plus 5 is 10, minus 4 is 6. So we have 6x squared. A very, very easy little one over there. Then when we get to question number 6, we have 4m squared n. We have one over there. Here we have another, minus 2m squared n. And those are the only two of its kind. We now move over to the mn squared. So we have a plus 5 plus 1mn squared and minus 3mn squared. So, like terms, we start with the pink. Plus 4 minus 2 will give us 2m squared n. We move over to the blue squares. It is plus 5 plus 1, which is 6mn squared, minus 3mn squared gives us plus 3mn squared. And that's how simple that is.